Hello guys, thank you so much clicking this video. Welcome to my channel Wellbeing Navigator. Today we are in Day 10 Weight Loss Product Challenge. In this Day 10 we will discuss the best product, alpilean. What is this product? What is the main ingredients in it? What is the ups and downs? Everything we will discuss in this video. So let's get into the video. Ever wondered why shedding those extra pounds seems like an uphill battle? Well, let me introduce you to alpilean, the revolutionary natural supplement that's changing the game in weight loss. Alpilean isn't just another run-of-the-mill dietary supplement. It's designed to target the root cause of weight gain that most others overlook: low inner temperature. You see, for many overweight individuals, their body's inner temperature is lower than optimal. This slowdown in metabolism can make weight loss a real challenge. But here's where alpilean comes in. Developed by Zach Miller and Dr. Matthew Gibbs after groundbreaking research, alpilean harnesses the power of 6 natural alpine herbs. These herbs have been used for centuries by the alpine people, the epitome of health, to regulate core temperature and boost metabolism. What sets alpilean apart? It's backed by science and real results. Countless success stories from users across the US attest to its effectiveness. Plus, every ingredient in alpilean is scientifically validated and clinically tested, so you can be confident about its safety and potency. Ready to take charge of your weight loss journey? Discover alpilean today and unlock the secret to sustainable weight loss. Click the link below to learn more and join the alpilean community. Here's to a healthier, happier you. Okay, let's see, what kind of ingredients using in this product? In this product have main 8 natural ingredients. Those are diverse health benefits and help to reduce weight. The very first is turmeric. Curcumin in turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, aiding in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Studies suggest curcumin may contribute positively to weight loss. Morina leaves. Extract from morina leaves acts as a natural appetite suppressant, promoting a feeling of fullness. It also boosts metabolism, aiding in calorie burning and reducing body fat over time. Citrus bioflavonoids, found in citrus fruits, these compounds like hesperidin help in weight loss by reducing body weight, fat, and insulin resistance. They also possess anti-inflammatory properties. Fucoxanthin. Fucoxanthin increases metabolic rate by activating thermogenesis and inhibits the formation of new fat cells. It also suppresses appetite, aiding in weight loss efforts. Ginger. Ginger aids digestion, reduces inflammation, and boosts metabolism. In alpilean, ginger increases thermogenesis, promoting weight loss. African mango seed. African mango seed suppresses appetite and inhibits fat storage, contributing to weight loss efforts. This is the all ingredients in this product. Let's quick check about this product. Product name, alpilean. Product category, weight loss supplements. Product form, capsules. Ingredients, turmeric, morina leaves, citrus bioflavonoids, fucoxanthin, African mango seed, and ginger. Servings per container, 30. Creator, Zach Miller and Dr. Matthew Gibbs. FDA regulated manufacturing, 100% money-back guarantee. Free bonuses are included. Benefits. Alpilean ensures optimal energy levels, enhances heart health, suppresses appetite. Side effects. No side effects cause it completely safe. Note point, use this product 18+ people only, and who guy want to reduce their belly fat or overall body weight. Otherwise you can avoid this, but this product is best for weight loss ever. If want to reduce your fat completely natural, this is the best one. Try it once. I am going to give the product link in description. Go and check it now. And that's all about this video. Thank you so much watching this video. If you love this video, like, share, subscribe the channel. We will meet with another new video. Until then, love you.